Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss one more question of CSIR NET 2023, December 2023. The question is from part B and question is very easy. As you can see here, the question from the linear algebra. So what is the question? Which of the following statement is false? There are four options. First one is the product of two cross 2 real matrices of rank 2 is rank 2. The important point here, which one statement is false, not true. Okay, so the second option is the product of 3 cross 3 real matrices of rank 2 is at most 2 of rank 2 is of rank at most 2, and third one is the product of 3 cross 3 real matrices of rank 2 is of rank at least 2. Okay, here at most 2 and here at least 2. The product of 2 cross 2 real matrices of rank can be a zero matrix. Okay, now I am going to solve this question in very easy way. So what is the first option? The product of 2 cross 2 real matrices of rank 2 is of rank 2. Okay, just take an example. If A is in a matrix of 2 cross 2 and B is a matrix of 2 cross 2 and both the rank of both matrices is 2, it means 2 cross 2 matrices and rank of A is 2 and rank of B is 2, it means both are invertible matrix. Okay, so it means what? You can say the determinant of determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A and determinant of B. Okay, we can write it as, okay, it means A and B both are non-singular matrix. Okay, because rank 2 and order is also 2. So it means what? It means determinant of A is not equal to 0, determinant of A not equal to 0. Okay, and determinant of B not equal to 0. Okay, it means determinant of AB not equal to 0. Okay, it means what? It means the rank of product of A and B again 2. Okay, so the first statement is true. Okay, but we need to find the false statement. This is not our option. Okay, now second one is the product of 3 cross 3 matrices of rank 2 of rank at most 2. Okay, just take an example or simply we have a result. We know that the rank of AB is less than equal to minimum of rank of A comma rank of B. Okay, now here A and B both are the matrices, real matrices of order 3, so we can write it AB belongs to M3R. Okay, and rank of A is 2, it is given, and again rank of B is 2. Okay, so the rank of product of AB is equal to less than equal to 2. Okay, clear? So the product of 3 cross 3 matrices of rank 2 is at most 2. It means it is a correct option, true. Okay, so A is true, B is true, and C, obviously C is false because he says at least 2, but we can understand by this. The third option is we know that again rank of AB is greater than equal to rank of A plus rank of B minus 3. Okay, it means what? Rank of A is 2, rank of B is again 2 minus 3, which is 1. Okay, so rank of AB greater than equal to 1, but he say the product of 3 cross 3 real matrices of rank 2 is at least 2. It means it's a false statement, and false is our correct option. Okay, because he said which one is false. This is our option. And in the D option, the product of two cross 2 real matrices of rank 2 can be rank 2 or rank 3, I think. Rank 2 can be the zero matrices. We take an example to discard it is correct or not. So for option 4, we take an example. Suppose we have a matrix of 1 0 0 0, which is rank 1. It means it's a rank 1. Okay, not 2, rank 1. The correct option is matrices of rank 1 can be a zero matrix. Yes, it is true, can be a zero matrix. And we take another example. Suppose 0 0 1 0, and if we multiply both, we get 0 0 0 0. So a matrix of rank 1 and another matrix of rank 1, but the product of these two matrices again a zero matrix. Okay, so it means for option is true. Okay, so this is not our option. Okay, because we need to find the correct false one. False one is C. A, B and C, A, B and D are correct, true option, but not correct because of we need to find the false option. Okay, so our option is C option. Okay, I hope it is clear all of you, and if you have any query, any doubt, please write in comment section. Okay, and if you like this, please like the video and subscribe my channel and share among the friends. Thank you so much again.